Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you can actually hide the author name in your WordPress. So basically in this video I will show you how you can write articles without showing the username of the author of yourself. So basically, first of all, you have to open the dashboard of WordPress by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin. I've already made a tutorial about it, so make sure to watch it right after this video. But for now, stick around until the end and focus so you don't miss anything. So after you open the dashboard, it will be looking something like that. You have to put here your username and email address and click on login. Now this page will be opened, so what you'll have to do is click on, for example, let's click on a post, and from here we create a new post to show you the example how it will look like. Now let's search and let's get this article. Let's put it in here and let's add FIFA here and let's publish this article. It will look something like that by the end. Let's click on the permalink and it will be showed something like that. So now as you can see, it is posted on December 25th at 2022 by user. This user section, we don't want it to be involved in our page. So how we can actually remove it? Basically, you can click on F12, or you can click on right click, inspect, or again you can click on these 3 points and click on more tools and click on developer tools. So now let's click on inspect, and from here you go and click on this icon top here. So that's how you can select anything. So let's select this section and let's go here, click on display and none. So now it is disappeared, but if we refresh this page it will not still be disappeared. So what you have to do is click on here, copy it and go to customize. As you can see, it will be shown again. Yeah, as you can see. So here we click on add and we click on here, click on publish, and as you can see by the end, if we refreshed, it will be deleted. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually remove the author name in your WordPress. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.